Long bây giờ nghe được tiếng cô chưa?
Rồi ạ.
Ok. Yes. Chắc là do đường mạng rồi. Thì chúng ta tiếp tục giúp cô nhé. Okay. And now, first of all, let's look at the text one here. You have to listen to my talking about her summer holidays and decide if the statements are true or false. Yeah. I mean, you decide in 5 sentences here. If it is correct, you write the true, and it's not correct, you write false. And you will listen twice. Okay, are you clear with that?
Yes.
Okay, so now let's listen, please.
Hello. This is Jiang'an 6. Unit 9. Listening test. Task 1. Listen to my talking about her summer holiday. Decide if the statements are true or false. Circle T or F. You will listen twice. Now, you have 15 seconds to look through the questions.
This summer, I went to visit my uncle in Australia and stayed there for a month. It was the first time I traveled alone, so it was scary. Luckily, nothing went wrong. A very kind woman sat next to me on the plane, and she helped me a lot. My uncle's family lives in Sydney, so I got to see the cool opera house. We even went to a concert there. It was so good. It was so hot in Sydney, so I loved going to the beaches. One weekend, my uncle took my cousins and me to Melbourne. Melbourne also has beautiful beaches, but I still like Sydney better. I think Sydney is greener, and there are more activities.
Now listen again.
Listen again.
This summer, I went to visit my uncle in Australia and stayed there for a month. It was the first time I traveled alone, so it was scary. Luckily, nothing went wrong. A very kind woman sat next to me on the plane, and she helped me a lot. My uncle's family lives in Sydney, so I got to see the cool opera house. We even went to a concert there. It was so good. It was so hot in Sydney, so I loved going to the beaches. One weekend, my uncle took my cousins and me to Melbourne. Melbourne also has beautiful beaches, but I still like Sydney better. I think Sydney is greener, and there are more activities.
Okay, so now do you have the answer?
Yeah.
Okay, number 1. Your answer is true or false. My way to Australia with her uncle.
True.
It's true or false?
It's true.
True. Okay.
True.
Yeah. Next, number 2. My sat next to a man on the plane.
True.
2. 3. My went to a concert when she was in Sydney.
True.
2. Okay. 4. The weather was cool in Sydney.
False.
It's 4. And the last, my like Sydney better than Melbourne.
True.
True. Okay, right. This is your answer. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 4, 4, and 5, 2. So teacher will check it later and give you the correct answer in the next lesson.
Hello.
And now, let's continue with part 2. Listen to the conversation between a customer and a receptionist at the gym. Answer the question with no more than 2 words and or a number. You will listen twice. So you understand the title here? You understand the requirement here?
Yeah.
Yes, right. Okay. And first of all, before you listen, I would like to give you 1 minute to read 5 questions and understand about us. And then you will listen. Okay, so you understand which 5 questions here? You understand?
No.
Okay, so you can continue. Okay, so now this time for you to listen and you have listened 2 times. Let's start. Answer 5 questions. You can take notes. First is in your notebook and then tell me your answer and pay attention. Answer the question with no more than 2 words or a number. Okay, only 2 words. Let's start.
Task 2. Listen to the conversation between a customer and a receptionist at the gym. Answer the questions with no more than 2 words and, or a number. You will listen twice. Now, you have 15 seconds to look through the questions.
Hi. I want to ask about the yoga class.
Sure. What level are you looking at? The beginner's class or the advanced class?
Beginner, please.
We have classes for beginners on Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday. There are classes both in the morning and the evening.
What time does the evening class start?
There's one at 6:30 and one at 8. Which do you prefer?
The 6:30 class, please. I can come after work. And how much is the fee?
That will be $120 a month.
And will I need any special equipment?
No. You'll just need to wear comfortable clothes. We provide carpets and clean towels.
Sounds great. Thanks.
Now listen again.
Hi. I want to ask about the yoga class.
Sure. What level are you looking at? The beginner's class or the advanced class?
Beginner, please.
We have classes for beginners on Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday. There are classes both in the morning and the evening.
What time does the evening class start?
There's one at 6:30 and one at 8. Which do you prefer?
The 6:30 class, please. I can come after work. And how much is the fee?
That will be $120 a month.
And will I need any special equipment?
No. You'll just need to wear comfortable clothes. We provide carpets and clean towels.
Sounds great. Thanks.
That is the end of task 2.
Okay, that's it, the end of task 2. And now it's time for you to write your answer on the chat group and sign it for me, because this is you have to write your answers. Okay. Giờ con sẽ viết đáp án của con và gửi cho cô nè, từ câu 1 đến câu 5, và lưu ý rằng mỗi câu chúng ta sẽ viết không quá 2 từ hoặc là số. Okay, you understand me?
Yes.
Yes, okay. Please write your answers. Okay, so I received your answer in this question 1 and 4. What about 2, 3, and 5?
2,
One answer is yoga. What's it, 30? Do you have answer for question 2, 3, and 5?
no,
No. Okay. Because this is a test, so you don't have a chance to listen again. All right, and I received your 2 answers, 1 and 4. And now let's
Task 2.
continue with the second skill. It's about the reading skill. Okay. And in the task 1 of the skill reading, read the following passages about the status of liberty in New York. Decide if the statements are true or false and circle T or F in a sentence. So you understand about the requirement of task 1?
yes,
Yes, right. Now, I would like to give you 6 minutes to complete task 1 and then tell me your answer. Okay, let's start. Okay, next one you have 2 minutes later. 2 minutes left. Okay, so now this time for you to tell me your answers from sentence 1 to sentence 5. A sentence is as true or false. Number 1, the status of liberty were built in the United States is true or false?
False.
False, right? Okay. Sentence number 2. The Statue of Liberty is the tallest iron structure now.
True.
2. 3. The statues were brought to America in separate pies.
False.
Is 4. 4. The statues is an icon of freedom.
False.
2. And the last, the Statue of Liberty is 130 years old.
True.
2. Okay. So let's see again. 1 is 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 4 shoes, and 5 shoes. This is your answer, right? Okay, so I will proceed. And let's continue with the second part about the reading skill. Let's read those passages and answer the questions. We have a 5 question here. And now to answer that question, you have to read the text, read the passages, and find the information to answer 5 questions here. Okay, and let's continue. You have 5 minutes to do task 2. 5 minutes for you. Let's start. Okay, so now time is up. It's time for you to tell me your answer. With the first question, please tell me, when were the first Australian TV broadcast?
Not 1956.
Okay, this one? Yeah, this is your answer number one. I noticed that's you. Next question two. How were the pictures on a TV then? Number two.
Black and white.
Black and white in number two. Okay. Next question three. List any 3 TV channels in Western Australia. 3 TV channels.
ABC.
ABC.
7, 9, 10.
9, 10. Okay. Only Nice. Number 4. Where can you find out the time of your favorite TV show? Where? Where can you find out of the time of your favorite TV show? Find out the time of your favorite TV show. Where? Do you have answer in question 4?
No.
No, okay. And the last question, how long do episodes on TV usually last for? Episode
30 minutes.
30 minutes? Right. Okay, I received your answer. Good. And now, this time we move to next skill with skill writing. Okay, with skill writing. Task 1. 4x questions. Complete the second sentence so that it means the same as the first. Use the word in brackets. You may need to train the words and write no more than 3 words. Example, the bookshop is opposite the library, and you can rewrite it again like, and with a sarcasm there. And your answer is, there is a bookshop opposite the library. Okay, let's do the same. Let's complete the second sentence. So that it means the same as the first sentence. Okay, and now with question 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I would like to give you 4 minutes. Okay, 4 or 5 minutes to read the sentence. and complete the second sentence so that it means the same as the first sentence. You understand the requirement here? Understand?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Please look at the
Yeah.
sentence and write a sentence for me.
If you go in the rain, you will get wet.
The answer is if you go. Okay. Number 2, when she invites me, is it possible that I will go?
If she invites me, I will go.
If she invite me,
invites,
I will go. Okay. 3, the first sentence is children don't have to go to school on stormy days. And you can rewrite it again like if it's stormy.
If stormy, children won't have to go to school.
Student what? Children what? Can you say again your answer?
Children won't have to go to school.
War. Have. This your answer?
Yeah.
War. Okay. And number 4.
What?
Would. This is would. Would or would. Would, right? W-U-O-U-L-D. This one. Would have or would have.
Will not. Will not.
I will not. Will not, sorry. This is the answer. Will not have a right. Okay. It's one. Will not or one have a right. Next. Number 4. You should decrease your use of waters or you will have to pay a lot. So what is your answer?
If you renew it of water, you will have to pay a lot.
Can you say again louder, please? What is your answer, number 4?
If you renew it of water, you will have to pay a lot.
Only reduce, right? Okay. Number 5. These trees need water or they will die.
If you need water, if you water the tree, they
If you water the tree, this one. This is your answer? Okay. If you water. Only the word water. Câu 5 mà con là if you water như này hả? Đúng không?
Yeah.
Ok rồi. This is your answer. Vậy đây là một số cái đáp án mà cô đã nhận được. Cô sẽ check và tổng hợp lại điểm tương ứng mà con đã làm từng với các bài. Sau đó cô sẽ gửi lại cho con cái kết quả. Ok, buổi sau cô sẽ thông báo cho con. Yeah, ok. So now time this up. the lesson today we will stop here because of now I have a new lesson. Okay. And I will send for you the score and some recommend about the task you do today. Okay. So the lesson will stop here. Goodbye and see you in the next lesson. Bye bye.